kaj je vroče in kaj mrzlo. Kaj je vroče? Tako je. Kaj je vroče? Super. Kaj je vroče? Bravo, otroci. Kaj je vroče? Bravo, otroci. Kaj je vroče? Odlično. Kaj je mrzlo? Super. Kaj je mrzlo?
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb.
Odlično.
Its fleece was white as snow. And Mary went,
Kaj je mrzlo?
and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school
Bravo,
one
otroci.
day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made
Kaj je mrzlo?
laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so
Odlično.
the teacher turned it out,
Tako je.
it out, turned it out, and so the teacher turned it off, but still it lingered near.
Kaj je mrzlo?
Waited patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Odlično.
Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager
Pa smo
children
končali za danes.
Why
Nasvidenje,
Mary
otroci.
loves the lamb, you